Today I'm on a yacht that has been fully restored, probably about 10 years ago, and painted with polyurethane. It's starting to suffer, as the polyurethane does not stick tenaciously enough to hold on to the old gel coat. Impact damage and scratches allow the paint to pull away. What happens, even though this boat is 50 odd years old now, the gel coat still releases wax and styrene, and over time that causes the polyurethane to lose its adhesion, and when cracking or scratches occur like this, it'll probably lift away. See how it's peeling away at the edges? I can peel paint away easily. If you look up here, there's a good example of it. Right, it's lifting where there's a scratch, and then it just peels right away. Whenever you do a restoration job like this, you have to put a 2-pack epoxy undercoat down first and sand it. I know it takes effort, but people do this to sell boats, make them look pretty, and then the next poor sucker, the next poor owner, is left with a mess to clean up. See, it's all scratched away here, and you can peel that paint back. It's pretty well stuffed. In 2 or 3 years' time, this is going to be an absolute... Here's some more in the cockpit. Good way to restore this. See, it's just lifting. It'll just keep peeling away. A good way to restore this. Here's another patch. See, it's just lifting away. You can see they haven't even prepared properly underneath. Maybe the dirt's got in under there as it's lifted. But what I would do here, I'd get a wire brush on an angle grinder, lift the polyurethane off. Won't hurt if you damage it a bit. We've got a really neat product called Tread Grip. Tread Grip will restore this and make it look $1 million. And the Tread Grip will go straight onto the glass. It's an acrylic and it sticks quite well. The problem with it is people tell me if they decide they want to go to something else, trying to get it off. It's a bugger. Anyway, it's a pity they hadn't done the job properly on this old girl in the first place, because she's still in pretty good nick for a 50 odd year old boat. Just needs some TLC to bring her back up to scratch. The problem will become worse the longer it is left, and end up like this boat, where large areas of paint have pulled away.